May I start? Thank you. I'll start by counting 3, 2, 1, start. From conception in mother's womb to funeral, we live within rule of law. We birth equally and die the same. But I wonder, good afternoon. Yeah, it's time to good afternoon to both the honorable judges, my fellow competitors, and all the team members. Yes, I wonder when I read Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. It says that there shall be no discrimination on the basis of sex, caste, religion, place of birth, and creed. But there is a ground which could be a cause of discrimination, and the ground is wealth. Yes, imagine a woman living in a rural village who has been wrongly accused of a crime, and she doesn't have the money to hire a lawyer, and she does not know where to go and where to run. Don't close your eyes. This is reality. If you are poor, you do not have money, there is high chance, high possibility of discrimination and injustice as well. That's why judiciary comes with its full commitment to provide free legal aid. Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar 1980. Supreme Court held that if accused is not able to afford legal services, then he has right to free legal aid at the cost of state. Here judiciary intervened so that wealth would not become a ground of injustice. It was judiciary who established that justice is a fundamental right implicit in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Since justice is a fundamental right, path to justice or tools through which justice is being given is also a fundamental right, which is also known as access to justice. So nowadays, justice and access to justice, these both are fundamental rights inherent in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, that is right to life and personal liberty. It was judiciary who directed the center and the state government, and simultaneously Article 39A were added. It lies liability on the state that it shall provide free legal aid to ensure access of justice. Here is also what access of justice is used, access of justice to all its citizens. And it was judiciary who directed the government, and the result is in front of us in form of institutions such as National Legal Service Authority, State Legal Service Authority, and District Legal Service Authority, and many more legal clinics. Once Justice Krishna Iyer said in his judgment that if every saint has his past, every sinner has a future. And today I can say that even prisoners have the fundamental right to free legal aid because of judiciary. Beyond this, I would like to say something. In my opinion, whenever we talk about rights, duties, I always consider the opinion and views of Mahatma Gandhi. He says that whenever we focuses on rights, that this is our right, this is our right, this is also our right, it clearly indicates that somewhere we are not doing our duty. Our breach of duty becomes causes of enhancement of rights, and he writes that the true source of rights is duty. So lastly, I would like to say that this is our duty to put our hands together. This is our collective duty to maintain justice in society, because justice is not which is given in a paper. In language of Plato, justice is a social conscience. So this was all from my side. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. Bye.